I don't know, that's pretty neat. I wanted to go down this road, but I don't want to get any closer. So I'm going to go around. And you know what? It'd probably be fine, but I don't want to get gored. So we're going to take the scenic route along the beach on the East Cape of Baja California, Mexico. Here for 3 weeks on a pet sit assignment. Quite a nice gig, to be honest. Quiet town. I've been told maybe 400 people there, more or less, live here now in March. And it's a fishing and kite boarding and kite sailing and windsurfing destination. And it looks like a lot of second homes, a lot of vacation rentals. Expats as well, from Canada, from the States. A nice little community. From what I've been told, it's expensive in town here, on the outskirts called Buena Vista. And I'm gonna head into Los Barriles proper. It's about a 20-minute walk, according to Google Maps, but we'll see. I might be taking it slower or faster. I don't know. Just gonna enjoy the ride. It's got a shrimp boat out there. Man, look at this view. A little rocky there and then smooths out, I think. In the morning, this is so calm. It's like none of this choppiness, none of the waves. And I think it's where when you do diving and fishing and swimming, all that stuff, you want the clear water. And then I guess afternoon the wind picks up, and that's when the kite surfing and windsurfing action happens, which I don't see right now, but yesterday when I arrived around 4:30, right about now, there was a bunch of kites in the air, and it was on a Tuesday, so we'll see what we see today. Just gonna chill. I could go cut back into the road, it might be faster, or along the beach. What do I want to do? What do I want to do, you know? It's probably more interesting for everyone if I stay on the beach. The back roads might be interesting too, a different way. So I got about 2 hours before sunset. I'd like to be back, or a little after that. Get some dinner at a local taco stand that had really good shrimp tacos. They weren't as cheap as Guadalajara. Baja is a little pricier than Guadalajara and even Puerto Vallarta, but it's understandable. Got a lot of expats. It's Baja California. It's connected to California, so I think the ease of transport really bumps it up. But this is like the place to go road tripping and camping and off-roading and all that. There is a national park, I believe. Don't remember the name, but it's in between here and Todos Santos, and it's just a big park in the middle. And I've met 2 van lifers or whatever, van travelers in Guadalajara, and they absolutely loved Baja California. It was just, the infrastructure was set up. You can camp on the beach for days, move to a different spot, continue. The infrastructure was there for dumping waste and a community, so there were other people you could chill with, which is always good. Kind of like this. Just got to sit up there. from Canada. Looks like it. And just chill on the beach here. So it's my favorite. Everyone is on their phones everywhere in the world, myself included. Man, these tech phones got us good, I will say. But that's okay. Guy's got a generator going, man, he's living comfy. Up there, looks like they're car camping. It's a bit more my speed. You get some of the creature comforts, but also mobile, a little more mobile. And I've got a ATV, but I didn't really feel like taking it out right now. Just got it yesterday, and I'll do it in due time, but I want to walk, get some steps in, get some lay of the land on foot, and then take the ATV, but I gotta keep it on the dirt off-road. That's the recommendation. So just kind of scoping out the beach, and there's a dirt road I can take on the 20th of November. Yeah, let's take a stroll along the beach. Oh, he's got some fishing going on. Pescador. It's pretty cool. This looks fun. Some ski-doo. Pull it up out of the water. That looks fun. Wait, what's going on there? Got a ton of these guys, the side-by-sides they're called. Go for Arizona, maybe?